Hi, I'm Helena Currie. I'm a building enclosure engineer in the Boston area. I didn't realize what engineering was until I was in high school. And I didn't know that there was a specific type of engineer that specialized in building barriers or enclosures, which really keep the inside of a building from the outside of a building until I was in college. Long before I knew what engineering was, though, there were a few moments in my life that sort of indicated that that might be the career that I was meant to pursue. When I was in sixth grade, my classmates and I were asked to build your own dream house, basically a place where you felt safe and welcome. Not only did I love building the physical model of my house with my hands, but I also loved that I learned buildings can invoke feelings and facilitate certain activities and really tell a story about the people who occupy those spaces. So as everyone finished their dream house, I looked around and sure enough, everyone's home was different. So in a way, this assignment was sort of a self-portrait and a way to really see that buildings can invoke feelings and tell stories, and it can be completely different from one another, and neither is better or worse than the one next to it. One of the things that I like most about my current job is that I get to learn the stories of a lot of different buildings, not only about who built it and who occupies those spaces, but about the inherent strengths and weaknesses of how it was built and what materials were chosen for that building and what the vulnerabilities of those materials are in different applications, different climates. So my advice to anyone who might be curious about engineering is to stay curious. As you're walking around outside, think about why buildings might be built different ways. What materials are used? What materials are closer to the ground? Which materials are on the more prominent front-facing elevation? Which are on the backside? The more you understand about the world around you and how you fit into that, the more you can start to wonder, does the built environment tell my story? And if you say no, then the engineering might be a good career for you.